few days. Gonna end up in Savannah, Georgia, but we're gonna stop at like Jekyll Island. I don't know, a couple other places. He's got it all mapped out, but he doesn't know I'm recording, so I'm just here to pick him up now. Shh. You know what's funny? I don't even have like a duffel bag. I had to throw some clothes in a backpack. When you gave away all your possessions, guess what? You don't have any possessions. So you just throw them in whatever you got. Less is always more. Oh, here he comes. Hey! You can throw it in the back seat? Yeah, man. Just throw it in here, dude.
Why do they make a shoulder strap that all it wants to do is fall off your shoulder the whole time?
Look, dude. Look at my trendy bag.
So annoying. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Oh, what's it like out here?
Nasty. Say hi to everybody.
What's up?
Where we going, man?
We're gonna hit Brunswick, I guess, and I think that's how you say it, unless it's called Brunswick.
It's Brunswick.
Yeah. So we're gonna go there and yeah, and then we're gonna hopefully hit Jekyll Island and St. Simon's Island. But I heard there's probably gonna be snow there, dude.
Man.
So
listen, sea level snow is better than Smoky Mountain, 6,000 feet in snow.
Yeah, so we're winging it, homie, man. Like,
I love it. I love it.
We'll see what happens.
Stay tuned.
No. All right, no, I'm not. That's our first mistake. All right, so how about we go to Jekyll Island and this is what we could do if you're up for it.
Yeah.
We could,
So we had a Airbnb in Brunswick, Georgia, which is a central point to hit a couple islands we want to hit, and supposedly had a pool table, like nice place, but of course we're traveling into a snowstorm in southern Georgia, and
so the place we had in Brunswick, the power's out, there's no water, no heat, I guess, so we just went ahead and canceled that place and got a refund. So I guess we're gonna head for Jekyll Island and try to drum up something as far as a place to stay. I don't know, maybe Savannah.
This is exactly why you should wing it in life and not plan your life, because adversity hits, man. We're stranded in the snowstorm of Georgia.
Frigidity.
You know what?
It's all good.
Something cool will happen, just because that's right where we'll need to be, man. We weren't supposed to go to that Airbnb. We were supposed to stay in some rat hole on Jekyll Island, which I doubt there is a rat hole on Jekyll Island. Probably not.
No, but there are a couple hotels out there.
Yeah.
So it puts us at Jekyll Island at 3. Good to check in at Savannah anytime after 4.
Alright.
And I already got the code to get in to the house, so that's cool.
Oh, you got a house there for today too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dude.
Making our way.
robber barons basically and all had a meeting here, and that's when the Federal Reserve was started. Federal Reserve Act was secretly created and then went through as a bill and was processed by. So the bankers met with like some senators out here and like hammered that all out.
Look at how the snow just died over here, man.
Yeah, crazy, huh?
Look how green it is, man.